Hi, welcome to Educator.com and another lesson in Adobe Illustrator CS6. And today we're going to talk about type. So this is going to be part 1 and there will be part 2 later because there is a lot to cover. So let's get started. So first let's take a look at the tools. Okay, so you have the type tool, which is your basic type tool to create type with. The area type tool, the type on a path tool, and the following 3 are all vertical. They repeat vertically, so it's the same tools. The first 3 are horizontal, and the last 3 are vertical. Okay, now let me show you something here with the type tool. Don't know why I have that there. Okay, now with the type tool, that's something we'll get to later. If I drag out a box and just type, it ends at the box, and you see here there's a minus sign in the box. That means there's some overflow, and I'll show you how to deal with that a little bit later. Now I can change the type here. Not change. I can make changes by selecting it, but also if I just select it, I can still make changes. So I don't need to have everything selected. I can just select it with the selection tool. I don't have to, highlight everything and select it to make some changes. All right, now let me show you another thing with the type. Now if I just click and have an insertion point and then type, it just goes straight all the way across. It doesn't end unless I put a return. Okay, so now let me show you something else here. Okay, so now when I select this, if I try to adjust anything, the type distorts. Also, I can make it flip and go upside down. So be aware of that. So this is something that may come in handy to you at some future point. Okay, so that's the basic type tool. Now that's done very quickly. Now let's move on to the area type tool. Okay. So now with the area type tool, let me get this layer open so I can do some stuff, be on the right layer. Okay. Now with the area type tool, just copy some type here. I'm going to make use of that to demonstrate area type. So I'm going to go down to the area type tool, and I can select a path on an object. And here's their insertion point appearing there, and I'm going to paste the copy that I just and it appears inside here. So let's see what happens when I use up the vertical type tool, the vertical area type tool. So now I select there, and there's the cursor in where the insertion point will be, and there's your vertical text. Okay, so that is the area type tool. All right, now there's one more thing with the area type tool I want to show you before I cross that out. Let's see, have to have some area type going. So let's get some area type going back again. Okay, so now under type, area type options, you have quite a few things that you can do. You can set the width and the height. You can set the rows, the number, how many it's going to span, and a column C for the columns. Also, you can have an inset spacing. So let's say I wanted that to space out so nothing happens. So let me just put a preview here so you can see I can inset the type a little bit. Obviously, there'll be a better selection of type when you're doing it. And I just have to do this quickly so I can get through this tutorial. All right. So, okay, now we're finished with the area type tool. I can officially move on.